Check this week's product recommendations. The first recommendation is the soap grinder and dispenser. As the figure shows, this product has stable market demand and is suitable for long-term sales. Its strong practicality has made it popular among viewers, indicating more potential customers. It meets diverse customer needs and enables users to reuse soap scraps. Its convenient dispensing design makes it a practical household item, boosting repeat purchases. Its small size and lightweight nature lead to lower shipping costs and reduced after-sales risks. The second one is the electric vacuum squeegee. A user shared a product video on TikTok, which instantly drew a lot of attention, so there's no need to worry about sales. It can clean without space restrictions and better meets the cleaning needs. If you run a daily necessities store, quickly introduce it to your customers and say goodbye to cleaning problems. The third product is the retractable clothesline. Attention to it is rising, indicating huge sales potential. Buyers' recognition can build a good reputation and reduce after-sales risks. Its reliable quality can reduce your operating costs. This item saves space and adapts to various scenarios, meeting diverse user needs. Install easily and low threshold for use, which attracts new customers to place orders. Add it to your cart now. Look, the fourth one is the Easy-Swivel dining tray. Many people are already marketing the product on TikTok, bringing you more sales chances. This well-designed product features a rotating function for easy food handling and enhancing users' dining experience. Its durable materials ensure easy cleaning and wide user appeal. Plus, it's simple to install, remove and store, solving storage woes. The last product not to be missed, travel garment bag. Google searches for this item are on the rise, showing its stable market. This upgraded product is hugely popular online. Seize the sales chance now. It has large storage and anti-wrinkle features, perfectly meeting travelers' needs for keeping clothes tidy. Plus, it suits various travel scenarios, helping you bring more chances to order. If you run a travel supply store, bundling it with related products can enhance the shopping experience and boost your profits.